particular order, our next finalist is Jasmine Curtis-Smith.